Welcome back, Power Tool fans. I'm Rob. We've got some breaking tool news. This world ender from Hilti is out of your price range, your project scope, and your league. So why do you want one so bad? Maybe it's because it looks like it will help you finally defeat Zerg. I don't know. Let's go. Pew, pew, pew. This is the all-new Hilti NPR32-A pistol grip pipe press tool, not to be confused with the Hilti NPR32-A pipe press tool we reported on back in June of 2019. I really need to figure out Hilti's naming system. This new NPR32-A has the same 32 kilonewtons of press force as its same name sibling, but it now has a new pistol grip, 350-degree head rotation, and a greater pressing capacity for metal pipes at 4 inches versus 3. It's powered by the same 22-volt battery platform, making it even easier to get the tool into tight spaces. Safety is also an important consideration on the job site, and once again, Hilti pays close attention to it. You'll find audio-visual signals to warn the user about anything that may have gone wrong during the pressing process, automatic jaw retraction, and a safety locking pin that prevents the tool from closing unless it's already in the correct position. Now, all of this is backed by Hilti's industry-best tool warranty, 20 years of repair or replacement for defective parts, 2 years no-cost repair including wear and tear, and a guaranteed 1-day turnaround on repairs. Now, we used the original NPR32-A at a Hilti event back in 2019, and it made pressing pipe an absolute breeze. With the new power and ergonomics, this new NPR32 is bound to be a welcome addition on the job site. It's available today, and you can get your own for $3,870.50. It's that 50 cents that makes this a bit expensive.